viewers, this is Nidhi. Today I am explaining here Java statement. What is Java statement? Because each and every program is a set of all the statements, and these statements are very important for each Java program. So Java statement is what? It is a set of sequentially arranged statements and used to perform particular task or job for which it is designed. Then we can use multiple Java statements to perform a particular task and create our programs. Here, number of Java statements given. First statement is declaration statement. Second is assignment statement. Third is output statement. And fourth is input statement. What is declaration statement? Declaration statement means when we use any variable in the program, then we have a need of declaration. Means variable is used for which purpose? Means for storing a number value, for character value, for string value, for which value we are using this variable. And variables, everyone knows, these are memory locations to store processed or unprocessed data. Means raw material, and after processing it is converted into the processed form. Then we can store both the things. Means in starting and after the processing the result, both in the variable. Then there is a need of declaration. Means which type of value we are storing in particular variable. Here example given, declaration statement. Under declaration statement I have written here int xy. Int xy. Int is a integer data type. Integer data type means we can store number value in it. And char z. Char z means it is a z variable. Variable is z and data type is char. This is a declaration of the variable. We are declaring here these are the variables xy and these are integer type for storing the number value, and char z is a variable, z is a variable and data type is char. This is the declaration of the variable. Assignment statement here given. Assignment statement means before using a variable in the program, then it is necessary to store the value in it. We are assigning, means user is assigning a value to the variable. Otherwise without value the variable is nothing. Like int x here given, and here the value of x is 10. Means we are assigning the value, we are giving the value to the variable. Like the 10 is the value for x variable, and what 10 is stored in which variable? It is stored in x variable. And char z means z is a variable and it is a char type. Char is a data type. For which type of data we want to store in this variable? Z is equal to character always given within a single quotes. It is compulsory. Then the semicolon. Otherwise we can give like this: int x is equal to 5 or char z is equal to a within a single quotes. We can write in this type also, and we can write in this method also. Both methods are correct. You can declare, assign the value by using both the methods. So declaration statement and assignment statement here. The next I am explaining output statement. Output statement is a statement through which we can display any message or the values stored in the variable on the output screen. It means Java provides two output functions to perform different tasks or jobs. With the help of output statement we can print any message, any type of output or result on output screen. Here two output Java functions given. First is print function, print and then parenthesis, brackets known as parenthesis. What is the use of this function? if we want to get the output in the same line, then we can use which function? It is a print function. Example also given here. System.out.print within a bracket RAM written here. Example, double quotes within a double quotes, and statement ended with a semicolon. Then system.out.print Verma within a double quote, bracket close, parenthesis close, and ended with a semicolon. What will be the output of this statement? Because print statement, print function always return in output, the output in the same line. That's why here the output of these statement is Ram Verma in the same line. Written here with the red pen marker. Then you can see also. And next function is println function. Println, again parenthesis, then you can give the message inside it, and we can get the output in the different line with the help of println function. Like example, system.out.println within a bracket, example given here, within a double quotes, my name is, then parenthesis close, then semicolon, and second messages statement system.out.println within a double quotes Ram, then parenthesis close, and statement end with a semicolon. What will be the output? Output is my name is in the first line because ln we are using here. Then second statement output Ram in a second line. This is the difference between print and println function. Clear? Thank you.